Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your CPU speed or processor performance in Windows 10 and 11. Adjust the CPU frequency mode to high performance to increase processor performance in Windows 10 and 11 laptop. And also you will get an FPS boost when you adjust your PC to high performance. And also we have gathered a few tips to increase your processor performance. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Adjust the CPU frequency mode to high performance. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box field, type Control and press Enter key to open the control panel. In the control panel, change the view option to get the full control panel settings like this. Under control panel settings, now click on the power option setting. Here, if you see high performance power plan, then you have to select it. If not, you can create a high performance power plan by clicking on this create a power plan option in the left side. You can see here, click on it and then select high performance and give the name high performance like this. Once done, click on next and then click on create. Once it's done, then select change plan settings and then select change advanced power settings. Then you will see this kind of advanced settings window. Here, make sure you selected high performance settings like this. Under high performance settings, scroll down the bar for finding processor power management tab, then expand the processor power management option and then expand minimum processor state like this. If you are on the laptop, you will see battery option and plugged in option. Now you can set up to conserve laptop battery or give your system a boost. Then you have to keep it's 0% on battery option to conserve laptop battery. Here change the settings for on battery to 0% like this. And then you have to keep it 100% plugged in option to improve your system performance. Here change the settings for plugged in to 100% like this. Next, expand the maximum processor state. Here change the settings for on battery to 100%. When your laptop is plugged into the battery, you have to keep it 100% to improve your system performance. Then here change the settings for plugged in to 100% like this. Once it's done, click apply and click OK. Keep in mind, each of this value will only be saved on the current high performance power plan you selected. Okay. If you are on laptop, you should consider the high performance option when plugged into a power source and balanced option when unplugged. That's it. Next, disable unnecessary startup programs. To do that, open the task manager. Right click on the taskbar and then select the task manager. It will open task manager. Then on the task manager, click the startup tab like this. Now you can see all the startup applications on your computer. Here, right click each applications that you want to turn off launching at the startup and then select disable like this. Right click each applications that you want to turn off launching at the startup and then select disable like this. Once it's done, close the task manager. That's all. Next, disable system visual effects. Start. To do that, turn off visual effects using system property settings. Speed up your CPU by disabling visual effects. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box field, type system.cpl and press enter key to open the system property settings. It will open system properties settings page. Here, go to advanced tab. In the advanced settings page, under performance section, click on settings. Then you will see this kind of window. Here under visual effects, if you have time and would like to tweak, you can read about each individual effect and turn it on and off. However, it's probably a lot easier to just select adjust for best performance at the screen and then click OK. This will turn off the old effects that slow down your PC. So select the adjust for best performance option under visual effects and confirm the change by clicking apply and OK. That's all. Once it's done, then restart your PC and see if that speeds up your PC. That's all. Okay. Next, defragment and optimize your hard drives. Okay, let's start. Defragment and optimize your hard drives. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. Then type defrag into the search box, and in the search results select defragment and optimize drives like this. It will open the optimized drive settings page. Then select the drive that you want to defragment like this. Also, you can select multiple disks by holding down the CTRL key and clicking each you want to defragment like this. Then click the optimize button to defragment it like this. It will take a few minutes for optimize process depending on your PC. Wait for a while. Once it's complete the optimize process, restart your PC. Okay. Next, if you want to set defragmented to run automatically on a scheduled time, click the change settings button like this. Then check the box next to run on a schedule like this. Now select the frequency at which you want the disk defragmented by clicking on the drop down options like this next to frequency, and select daily, weekly or monthly. Weekly will be the best. Okay. Then make sure check the box next to increase task priority if 3 consecutive scheduled runs are missed. From the screen you can also choose multiple drives to defragment like this. Once it's done, click OK to confirm it like this. That's it. Certainly, defragmenting your hard drive can help improve performance by recognizing files for faster access. Okay, that's it. Next, disable transparency effects. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. In the settings page, click on personalization, and in the left pan under personalization, select the colors like this. Then go to right pan. In the colors management area, move the toggle switch to off under transparency effects like this. Once it's done, it can boost the overall system performance. Transparency effects are a visual feature in Windows 10 that make windows and surfaces appear translucent. Some people like this effect, but others may find it distracting or slow down their system performance. It takes a surprising amount of work for Windows to create these transparency effects, and turning them off can make an overall system performance boost. That's it. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.